Hello, today is Monday, the 24th of October, 2011, and I want to go over this algebraic homework question. And there was a mistake within this formula, although it was not the one on the comment. One person mentioned maybe it should be x divided by 0.42 to the power of 38.2%, which is incorrect, but so is this one too. And that's because I missed one of the really much needed levels, and that is to multiply this by the low, which is 0.42. So x divided by 0.42 to the power of 0.618 multiply 0.042, which equals 3.60. So you stick this right after the 0.618. So if anyone went through this level, did the algebraic expression and got the numbers way off, well, that's the reason why, and I'm sorry about that. But we're going to go over the answer towards this. And as far as doing the algebraic expression or doing the formula, if you would have asked me maybe 19, 20 years ago, I probably could have done it within a minute or so and given you the right answer. But I honestly have forgotten how to convert this into the square root, that is. So therefore, I'm going to give you the answer in another method, the trial and error method, which is going to work. If anyone wants to simplify this formula for me on the comment section, remember you're supposed to multiply this by the low, which in this case is 0.42. Now, one person commented stating that we should do it to the power of 38.2% to find what that is of the 38% retracement. Now, that may seem like that's the easier answer, but it's actually not. And the reason why is because 61.8% calculates what is the length from the bottom to 61.8% of the way up. Boom. In this case, it would be 239. So therefore, as this level goes higher, this would bring it more towards the upside. Therefore, when you're looking for downward retracements, you do the opposite of whatever the retracement happens to be. So this is a 61.8. So the opposite of that is 38.2. This is 76.4. So the opposite is 23.6, and so on and so on. So let's get on with the calculation, and I can use a trial and error within this, and this is what we have. We have the low of 42 cents, the high of 6.99, and the formula is this below here. High divided by low to the power of 0.16, multiply the low again. So the target that we're looking for is 3.6. So one fast way I can do this is just keep on writing the numbers in until I find 3.6. It's almost like playing that Bob Barker over-under game where they go higher, lower, and it's just so easy to win this. It's just a matter of time before you get the correct answer. So it's going to be in or around this number, 1357. And the correct answer might be give or take a penny, because I'm sure if I put in 1358, then I would most likely get the same answer. And I do. So in or around that level there. And basically what this tells me is that if this does break out, the logical scenario is that this Fibonacci level will be in or around this range in here, because for some reason, I don't know what it is, but retracements of Fibonacci seem to tend to work towards the large, major, significant levels. So let's even think longer term for the future now. I want to do another one. So assume that it gets up towards that level, what was it, 1358? Oh, good memory. Well, not normally. So say we get to that 13.5 variable. That's an area most likely where you would see a top and maybe retrace significantly back down to maybe even here, 7 and change. But if it breaks through to that next level again, then what I would be expecting is the 61.8% retracement down, which is really the same as the 38 point, or which is 61.8% retracement down, which is 38% retracement up. So this level, that's approximately right here. When this level moves to here, then this is going to move somewhere in here, basically. Therefore, when you say you break through that next 13.5 variable, that I would be stating that this next Fibonacci line, which is 61.8 down, is going to hit here. So all I have to do within the formula is I'm going to change it to 0.382. At that point, it would be at 158. So that would tell me that when this level goes here, the other Fibonacci level will be somewhere in here. And given the fact that there's like really no support or resistance in here, it makes no difference where this line tends to be at, basically, because there's nothing so obvious to state, oh, Fibonacci's got to go there, like it is at this 3.7 to 4 level. Okay, so if this level again were to go up to 360, we can play the trial and error game again and see where it would go to. And Bob Barker would keep on saying over, or whatever. $116. So that would be a pretty ludicrous move. But we've seen these moves before, and I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying on the if scenario, if it breaks past this level, if, then if we see momentum, we know it's 13.5 as the next major level. Breaking that would be 116, and that's pretty big. Anyway, thank you for watching, and take care.